Make a phone, make a phone, 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 make a call, make a key, body, phone, 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 your body, kakara, make a phone, 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 on a magazine.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. If you're new here, my name is Natia YE. I go by Beauty Rebellion. If you're not new, welcome back, Rebel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this beautiful, silky straight lace frontal wig from UNice hair in less than 15 minutes. I'm telling y'all, this install method won't take long at all. It's quick and easy, and it's definitely beginner friendly. I'm also going to be showing you guys how I achieve this layered look in the hair. So if you're interested in seeing how I installed this wig and how I got this look, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so here's the wig I'm going to be installing in today's video. As you can see from the title, this wig is from UNice Hair Company. Shout out to UNice for always providing great quality hair. If you've watched any of my other reviews using their wigs, you already know I live for their wigs. So I'm starting out with my wig cap already glued down, and I went ahead and bleached and washed my wig before filming this tutorial. I already have lots of videos on my channel, guys, on how I do my bald cap method and how I bleach my knots, so I'll definitely link one of those down below for you guys. But yeah, this wig is their inner buckle straight 13x4 lace frontal wig. I got it in 26 inches, 150% density, and guys, just look at that. After washing the hair, all I did was blow dry it, and the hair is already super silky straight. I didn't even flat iron it yet, so yeah. I do have a pretty small head, guys, so I like to take the 2 clips in the back of my wig, and I like to take those apart and clip them together, and it acts as an elastic band and makes my wigs fit more snug. Now, once I put the wig back on, it fits perfectly. I'm just going to go ahead and shift it in place and position it on my head where I'm going to install it. I keep getting distracted by this lace in the front of my wig. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it back a little just so I can see what I'm doing. This wig is so full. It's supposed to be 150% density, but it is definitely giving at least 250. And the texture of the hair itself is really, really soft. This might be one of the best lace wigs I've tried in a while, y'all. So now on to the install process. I'm just gonna go ahead and clip my hair back out of my way. And then you see me just cutting the excess lace off from around my ears. To tack my wig down, I'm going to be using the Ebon adhesive spray in the yellow bottle. And let me tell y'all, this is one of my favorite products right now to install my wigs. Once I'm all done with spraying down my lace, I'm going to go ahead and take this elastic band that I got from UNice as well. And it's super cute. It has Velcro on the end. I'm going to go ahead and tie it around my lace to make sure that it melts in. And like I said, I do have a pretty small head, so instead of using the Velcro, I just tied it. And while I wait for my lace to dry, I'm just going to go ahead and get the rest of my hair together. Straighten it, press out the top, and yeah, I'm going to let you guys watch the video, and I'll be back at the end. All right, guys, now the hair is given. Like, if I wanted to wear it just like this and comb it down, you know, I could do the no baby hair look and just wear it straight like this, literally to 10 minutes. But I don't want to wear it like this. I am going to add a couple baby hairs to the hair and add some powder to my lace. So let's do that. So we are all done the install process. Look at that. I think it looks bomb as heck, y'all. The lace is fire. If I wanted to leave it like this, I definitely could, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some layers to the front of my hair. So this is the finished look. It did not take me long at all. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up, leave some feedback down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Smooches.
Make a come, make a pom pom pom, make a come, make a keep a tick pom pom pom. Your body kakara, make a pom 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 on a magnetic.